to show you the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, power sunroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, first aid kit, tachometer, cargo net. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.